G'day, Andrew from Berrima Diesel here, just watching son Baden in the background finishing up the turbo install that he's doing. We'll go over and have a bit of a look and see what's happening. How's this coming along, Baden?
Good, not too bad. I've just finished up the turbo. At the moment, just hooking up the boost side for him on his boost gauge he's got inside the cab. We've already got the lines there, so we're just finishing that off. He's got about 530,000 Ks on this car, no blow-by. In all honesty, it's immaculate. You know, like he's done his 5,000 K servicing, the oil's spotless, and as you can see, the engine looks pretty spotless too. So, was ready to go for a turbo this morning, and we just finished up now.
Lovely example. Can't wait to go for a road test and see what it's like. Now all we need is old Orpa here. Him and me were fitting these things way back when they were new, and here's the grandson's fitting them on 500,000 kilometre young or old diesels like this one. Really good, Nick. We just got to remember it's turbo only. It doesn't need all the bells and whistles that everybody tries to sell and add on with pump aneroids and bigger flow injectors. You've got 6 injectors and a pump supplying fuel. You've got nothing supplying air. So when you put a turbo onto a diesel and set it up correctly, you don't need any mods because there's already plenty of availability in there. And you don't want to overstress the engine, which happens all the time now on 1HZs. We get them in all the time, either just saving them for a blow up because they've come in because they've seen smoke and they're worried about it, or it's running hot, or they've already got a story of it's blown up once already. So again, it's about setting up things correctly, doing it properly, and if you do, your 1HZ will last a really long time and give you years and years of service. That's all we say. To see more of these videos, keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or berrimadiesel.com, where you can find out more from the diesel experts about looking after your diesel.